Open Navisworks Manage. Load the IFC file. N. Open. Select File Type. Open. To avoid delays when uploading the model, save it in .nwd or .nwf format. N. Save As. You can see the difference when you open the model. Activate Selection Tree and Properties. In the selection tree, click on plus to itemize all the elements of the model. When you click on an element in the tree, it is displayed in the model. All elements of the itemization are also displayed. At the same time, the properties that make up the element are displayed. Conversely, when selecting a model element, it appears in the selection tree. Navisworks supports creating new properties. To do this, in Properties, select the item, right-click, Add New User Data. We change the name. Insert a property type, string, and name it. Insert a property type, floating, and assign it. Price ML equals 35. You can create as many as you need. In Properties, right-click, Edit Links, Add. In Category, select Hyperlink, OK. This adds a tab called Hyperlink. Right-click on the element, Links, UPCT. Select Clash Detected and click on Add Test. Select a beam and compare it with other elements that may have a collision. To select it, click on Use Current Selection. The same for the elements with which the test will be carried out. Click on Run Test. There are two collisions. We renamed the test Beam 17. We can see with which elements there are collisions. Groups can be created for collisions of an element. Now let's leave a note to the modeler, telling him to fix this collision. Go to Report, Write Report. We can go to where we saved the report and view it. This option allows you to indicate if the problem has been reviewed, approved, etc. You should create as many tests as necessary. There are 359 collisions in this model. Click on Timeliner to create the schedule. We start inserting the planning in Add Task. On the right, the Gantt chart is being created. We had forgotten to add the task type. All are for construction. Export planning to CSV and XML format. Let's link each element with its stages. Elements are added for each planning phase. We can check the added elements by clicking on Explicit Selection. We continue adding until we complete everything. In Simulate, you can see how the project will be carried out. This simulation can be exported to video format. In Viewpoint, you can create and save viewpoints. Finally, the model can be exported to Google Earth format.